What?
Hey everybody, it's the Midnight Knitter, and today we are opening the Black Pearl Magic holographic Christmas box. So I have some help here from my little guy Elliot, and we've already opened our beautiful Laveau 2.0 bag. Look how big this thing is. I'm so excited to use it. And then we already opened some really cool stitch markers as well, and we got some more stuff in this bag. So what else do we want to open? Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's the strap to our bag.
Oh.
So we can carry it. Very cool, very nice.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Look.
A tape.
You did it.
A tape.
Yeah.
A tape.
You did it. Ta-da.
Yeah.
Yay. So we have an easy carry bag. And what's this?
Huh? The button.
Yeah, balls for yarn. Yes, those are some stitch stoppers. And then we got awesome, sorry for the plastic.
Wow.
We got a gauge counter
Wow.
and some
Tape.
tape measure. So cool. And then let's see, we got a card. And that's it. Yep. Merry and bright. Make Christmas, may it sparkle in your home and shine in your heart. That is so nice. So that is an awesome unboxing of the Black Pearl Magic holographic Christmas box, and I'm so excited to get to using all of these things. Yay!